Welcome. Today I will show you how to remove FRP Google log in Xiaomi 11T Pro. First we have to connect the Wi-Fi . Wi-Fi connected. Now we will need SIM card with a PIN code. So insert this SIM for a while. And remove it. And now we have notification settings. So we can open the browser now. Find the YouTube. FRP add the ROM. And go to settings. Additional settings. And there you have second space. Turn on second space. And now it's done. All you need is reboot the phone. We will not need SIM card anymore. As you can see, for work without any problems. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and until the next time.